Hello, Taimi. Good evening. Hello, hello. Hi. Good evening. Good evening, good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today, Taimi? Happy today? I'm happy. Wow, that's good to know. Did you already eat? Yes? Did you already eat? Yes, I am. Wow, very good. So now, are you ready to continue our lesson for today? Ready?
Ready.
Okay, very good. So before we start our lesson, so let's again review the body parts that we had learned. So teacher, so I will show you some pictures or in this picture and you will say what is the name of the body part. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so wait, let me just show you um this one. What is the name of this body part? Look at the circle. The circle, what is that body part?
これは体のどの部分ですか
Hmm,
Hmm. Hmm.
very good. This, okay, let's say this is hand.
Is hand.
Very good. How about this one? What body part is this? Hmm. Is this hand? Yes or no?
Yes. Hand.
This? This one? Hand?
No.
Hand or arm? Hmm. So this one is arm. Okay, let's say arm. Okay, very good. How about this one? Let me just show you. Okay, wait. How about this? What is this? Hmm. What is this? This, let's say this is toe.
This is toe.
Okay, very good. Again, what is this, Taimi? Toe or fingers?
Mm.
Mm. Let's say toe, 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 toe.
Toe. Toe. Toe.
Okay, very good. If we have a lot of toes, so we will say toes. So we will add letter S. Toe, toes.
Toe. Toe.
Okay, very good. So next, how about this one? What body part is this? Hmm. What body part is this?
これは体のどの部分これは体のどの部分ですか
Hmm. What body part is this? Hmm. Okay, is this foot or toe?
What?
Very good. So this is foot. Okay, let's say this is foot.
This is foot.
Okay, if we have two or more, we will say feet.
Feet.
Okay, very good. Again, if we have one, what do we call this? Only one foot.
Heart.
If two, we'll say 2 feet.
Feet.
2 feet.
2 feet.
Okay, very good. How about this one? What is this? What body part is this?
これは体のどの部分ですか
Hmm. Is this hands? Yes or no?
Finger.
Finger. Wow, very good. This is finger. Let's say this is finger.
And finger.
Okay, if we have two or more fingers, so we will call it as fingers.
Finger.
Okay, very good. One finger, two fingers.
Two finger.
Okay, let's say fingers, two fingers.
Finger.
Very good. Okay, so now, how about this one? Our last body part. What is this?
これ、これは体のどの部分ですか？
What's this? Hmm, is this a foot? Is this a foot? Yes or no?
これは足ですか？
Is this a foot?
No.
No, very good. What is this? This is leg.
Yes. And leg.
Very good. So this is leg. Good job. Again, what is this, Taimi? What body part? What is this? Leg or
こ
foot?
れは体のどの部分ですか？
Hmm.
Mm,
This is leg.
leg.
Okay, very good. So, okay. So if we have two, so we call it as two legs. Two.
Two leg.
Okay, very good. One leg, two legs.
Leg.
One leg.
Two leg.
Okay, legs. Okay, don't forget the letter S, because if we are talking about two or many things, so we usually add letter S. Legs, hands, fingers, feet. And what is the other one? So it is arms. Okay, so those,
Feet. Arm.
okay, very good. Those are our body parts. So now, so last time, so we had learned a story that we have and we number it all. So for this one, so let's read the story. Okay, so let's go first with number one. So let's say, wow, look, my legs
My leg.
are green.
Green.
Okay, very good. So now, Thyme, what is the color of the legs?
足の色は何色ですか？
What is
Green.
very good? So let's say it's green.
And green.
Very good. Next, let's read number two. And
And
your hands
your hand
are blue.
are blue.
Okay, now, Thyme, what is the color of the hands?
針の色は何色ですか？
What color? Huh? Green hands? This one, what color is this?
Green.
Is it
Oh,
green or blue?
blue.
Blue, very good. So again, Thyme, looking at the picture, what is the color of the hands?
針の色は何色ですか？
What is the color?
Blue.
Okay, very good. Let's try to say it in a sentence. Let's say it's blue.
Blue.
Very
針
good.
の色はな、
Okay, so next, let's read number three. So let's say, look, Look.
Look.
Your arms
Your arms
are orange.
are orange.
Okay, very good. So again, let's read this word. Let's say look, not look. Look.
Look.
Very good. Good job. Let's read the sentence again. Let's say, look,
Look.
your arms are orange.
Your arms are orange.
Very good. Now, Thaimi, what is the color of the arms?
アームの色は何色ですか？
It's
Mm,
what color? Hmm. What color is the arms? It's
it is
orange.
orange.
Okay, again. What is the color of the arms?
アームの色は何色ですか？
Hmm.
Orange.
Okay, very good. So it's orange. And next, let's proceed to our number 4. So let's read. My feet. My feet
My feet
are blue
are blue
too.
too.
Okay, what is the color of the feet?
足の色は何色ですか？
What
Mm,
color? It's
It's blue.
very good. It's blue. Okay, again, let's say it's blue.
It's blue.
Okay, so next, number 5. So number 5 is, what's number 5 is, or number 6. Let's say, oh, oh,
And
my toes
again
are purple.
a purple.
Okay, again, let's say purple.
A purple.
Very good. Now, Thaimi, what is the color of the toes?
足の指の色は何色ですか？
What's the color?
Mm,
What's the color? It's what?
mm,
What color is the toes? Look at the picture. What color is, or what color are the toes? Hmm. What color? It's purple.
It's purple.
Okay, very good. Again, what is the color of the toes?
足の指の色は何色ですか？
What's the color?
Mm,
It's
mm,
purple.
mm.
Okay, very good. And for our last one, let's say your fingers
Your fingers
are blue.
are blue.
Okay, again, your fingers are blue.
Are blue.
Okay, now, what is the color of the fingers?
指の色は何色ですか？
What's the color?
It's color.
It's color.
Mm,
What is the color? Look at the picture, this one. What's the color of the fingers? Your
blue.
blue. Very good. So again, let's say it's blue.
It's blue.
Okay, very good. So those are our body parts. So now let's again review all of the body parts that we learned. So let's start with hand. Okay, let's say
And
hand, hands.
hand. Hand.
Okay, so can you show, Thaimi, where is your hands? Or where are your hands?
タイミに、あなたの手がどこにあるか見せてあげてくれる
Where are your hands? Okay, very good. So let's say, this is my hands.
and my hand.
Very good. Now, where are your fingers? Where are your fingers?
指はどこですか
Where are your fingers? Okay, very good. So let's say, this is
And
my fingers.
finger.
This is my fingers. Okay, again, let's say, this. Show your fingers. Where is your fingers? Or where are your
指は
fingers?
どこですか
Where? This
And
is
then with
my fingers.
my finger.
Okay, very good. Now, can you show teacher where are your arms? Where are your arms?
あなたの腕はどこですか
Where are your arms? Okay, very good. So now let's say, this is my arms.
Is my arm.
Okay, again, this
Then
is my this is my
is my
arms. Okay, next. Where is your legs? Thigh me.
足はどこですか
Where is your legs?
mm,
Okay, very good. So let's say, this is my leg. This is my leg. Oh no, Taimi is so sleepy. Okay, let's say, this is my leg. Taimi? Hello? Oh no. Taimi. Okay, let's say, this
then
is
mm,
my leg. Okay, my leg.
leg.
Okay, next, can you show teacher where is your foot? Where is your foot?
足はどこですか
Where is your foot? Can you show teacher? Can mm, can you show teacher where is your foot?
先生に、足はどこか見せてくれる
Hmm. Where is your foot? Where is your foot?
先生に、先生に、先生に、足はどこか見せてくれる
I mean, oh no, she is sleeping. Okay, let's say again. Where is your foot?
先生に、足はどこか見せてくれる
Where is your very good. So let's say this is my foot. This This is my foot. Where is your foot? This is my foot. This is my foot.
One.
Okay, okay, let's say this is
Is
my foot. This is my foot. Okay. Okay, so those are our body parts, thigh me. So I can see that you still don't remember most of the body parts that we have. That's why I want you to review each of the body parts that we have, such as hands, fingers, arms, leg, feet, and toes. Okay? So for our next page, so we will learn a new sentence structure. So let's first listen to the sentence structure that we have.
Page 65. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
What's this?
This is my arm.
What's? What is?
Okay. Okay, so let's read the sentence structure that we have. Are you still there, Taimi? Can you still hear teacher? Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Taimi. So sleepy, sleepy. Oh no, she's sleeping. Oh no, you're back. Okay. So let's read the sentence that we have. So let's have, what's this? What? Let's say, what's this?
what? This.
Okay, so Thyme, we use this to ask about one thing that we can see or is close to us.
目に見えるものや自分たちの近くにあるものについて尋ねる際に、それを使います。
Okay, so we usually answer it by what we have. Like, for example, what's this? So we answer it by, this is my arm. So next, how about this one? What's this? This is my pen or pencil. This is my pencil. So again, so we use to ask, or we use this question, what's this, to ask about one thing that we can see. So we can see or is close to us. So like for example, what's this? This is my pencil. And next, so what's this? This is my pen. So what is short for the word what is? So meaning, so we are just asking about one thing. Okay, only one. For example, what's this? This is my paper. Okay, so that is how we use or how we will use the sentence structure. Okay, so what's this? We ask it for one sentence that is, or one thing that is close to us, and we will answer it by this is my arm. Okay, 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 and next, let's move on to the next page. Like, for example, this one. So we have here our body parts. So we have this one. So what's this? This is my arm. What's this? This is my hands. And what's this? This is my fingers. And next, what's this? This is my leg. What's this? This is my foot. And for the last one, what's this? This is my toe. Okay. Okay, so I think so for this lesson, Laimi, so we will proceed and continue this lesson tomorrow. So you can now have your rest early so that tomorrow you will have your full energy. Okay, so goodbye, Taimi, and see you again tomorrow. Goodbye. Taimi. Bye bye. Oh no, so sleepy.